Soil is a really important ecosystem. The top few centimetres are literally bursting with life. Without soil, there'd be hardly any plants and animals. Much of our land would lose capacity to hold water, and the cycling of nutrients such as carbon and nitrogen would be disrupted. And what we know is many of our agricultural soils are in trouble. One of the issues is that soil takes a really long time to form. If we manage it badly, we can lose it quickly. Intensive agriculture can lose biodiversity. If you have lots of animals on a land, it can make it compacted. And if we build on the land, then we can cap that land and lose that soil completely or risk contaminating that soil. We have very little information on soils. We haven't had a comprehensive strategy where we've systematically collected data on soils year on year. Around 40% of our soils are at risk of erosion. 4 million hectares of land is at risk of compaction, and 300,000 hectares are at risk of contamination. By not recognising the importance of soil, we've dropped the ball on things like securing our food security in the future and protecting biodiversity and ecosystem services. So what we need to do is to rethink the way that we grow our food, what we're eating and how we distribute that food. At the moment, food production is often in opposition with biodiversity preservation and ecosystem service preservation. We need to have a system that enables those two things to work together. Really, there is no single solution. What we really need is a comprehensive soil assessment programme and incentives to protect soils. We need to support small farmers and invest in resilient food systems with reduced environmental impact. Agricultural technology can provide us with more rapid information and help us direct inputs to where they're really needed. It can also help us to return to less invasive techniques, but without the back-breaking work that was previously required. How can university research help? At the University of Plymouth, we're working with technology to collect baseline data against which land management practices can be measured. Through research on soil biodiversity, sustainable food production and in-field sensor technology, we're providing practical solutions for healthier soils and a secure food supply. We're looking to inform UK government policy through our Environmental Land Management Knowledge Exchange Hub. And internationally, we're co-creating soil carbon research strategies with communities. And the new Centre of Research Excellence in Intelligent and Sustainable Productive Systems is underpinned by a systems thinking approach. This brings together farmers, innovators and scientists to co-create solutions to land management challenges.